Hi friends, welcome to our channel once again. Please subscribe, like and share, please. Okay, today I'll be talking about the Pi network. Okay, remember the Pi network is one of the cryptos that is very unique with great potentials to become one of the great coins that might go ahead of Bitcoin or go head to head with Bitcoin or just a little slight below Bitcoin. But I think this coin has potential to overtake the crypto industry. Just my own personal view and opinion though, because the wonderful plans that this project has, it's so unique. Okay, and one of the interesting feats that they attained is that they have a global acceptance that no cryptocurrency have enjoyed so far so good from inception. Remember, this coin is yet to reach the mainnet. The mainnet is the phase whereby you can exchange them for real fiat or real money. Okay, you can also use your crypto in exchange for goods and services. For example, let's say you want to buy goods on eBay or Amazon or any other service that might be unlisted for this project. Okay, now apart from goods, because the example I gave, they reflect good. Services could be maybe airline tickets, laundry, massage, hotel, anything, okay, which can be done in exchange for value. All right, now these are the wonderful prospect of Pi. Then it can also be used in trading other cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can use it to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and co. Now amazingly, Pi network has reached a stage whereby it is calling for programmers to come and contest with interesting projects that will attain the prospects of Pi network plans. Okay, now let's hear Nicholas himself speak. Okay.
Yes. To celebrate the Pi today, Pi is excited to launch the new Pi Apps Utilities platform, the developer portal, and the Pi Hackathon. Community developers will now be able to begin building and testing applications on the Pi platform for millions of users to use. Let's look at the project overview and significance. Pi is a global cryptocurrency with high transaction throughput, providing instant global financial settlements.
Alright, now let's pause there. Now you can see the potentials of Pi and the prospects that these projects will be carrying out in the nearest future. Let's move further.
On top of this utility, Pi Network seeks to self-actualize by providing value through a decentralized network of programmatic utilities, apps, that use the Pi blockchain as a medium of exchange to transact goods and services.
Okay, thank God you heard that yourself. It can be used in exchange for goods and services like I mentioned earlier, which is so unique.
The new Pi Utilities platform is built as the infrastructure to that end, connecting to the Pi testnet blockchain.
Please remember, subscribe, like, share.
in the backend and eventually the mainnet, and with the Pi browser's user accessibility in the front end. Let's look at the Pi Utilities platform launch. Pi apps are implemented as web apps that run inside the Pi browser. With the current SDK, pioneers can make test Pi payments to third apps and vice versa. A Pi payment is always initiated and permitted at the computing device of the sender, being it an individual pioneer or a third Pi app. And that's because it's the sender who must sign it with their own private key in order for the transaction to be valid. Third-party app.
Okay, from what I can deduce about this information is this. It's trying to tell you that you, the sender of Pi, in exchange for value, you have to permit such transaction. That is in summary. Okay, you have to give permission for such transaction to take place. That is, the amount you are sending, you permit it before such transaction can eventually get through.
Can request the pioneer to pay them Pi for goods and services through the Pi wallet, and they can do that with a simple JavaScript call using the Pi JavaScript SDK. Pioneers pay by signing the transaction through their Pi wallet, and third-party apps can also send Pi to pioneers by signing the transactions through their developer wallet on their own servers. Let's see how this works. Pioneers can visit the third-party app. They have to go to the address of the website through the Pi browser. When they are ready to purchase and they want to purchase something, they can tap on the Pay in Pi button, however it's implemented in that app, and that will redirect them to the Pi wallet address, wallet.pi, where they can access their own wallet and approve the payment by themselves. And after the payment is successfully registered on the blockchain, they will be redirected back to the address of the third-party app to proceed and continue. Now note that all transactions occur.
Alright, now you can hear Nicholas himself. Okay, he's just informing you of the various plans that Pi network is carrying out at the moment. Okay, for example, they're calling on programmers to come and bring in their various ideas, and also to carry out design of the app and the services that can go hand in hand with Pi's objectives. And another thing is this: the pioneers or the developers will be given prizes for their work. The total sum is $100. Let's continue and see how these prizes are being categorized.
On the current platform use only test Pi, and that's because the SDKs and Pi apps payments flows are all connected with the Pi testnet blockchain. Our goal is to iterate and improve the platform and its Pi applications with the community so that they will be compatible with the mainnet and ready to go once it launches. For ecosystem app development to focus on developing Pi utilities and features without worrying about scalability and server costs, we build standardized development and deployment resources. For example, there is a standardized, specialized Kubernetes cluster with all the accompanying Docker containers that go with it. Ecosystem app developers can upload their apps directly onto the Pi's cluster of thousands of server CPUs and ready to run. We will release more information and details about this resource very soon. Let's talk about the developer portal. Launched a few weeks ago, the Pi Network's new developer portal allows community developers to register for credentials to access the Pi platform APIs and to create third-party Pi apps on the Pi testnet. Through the developer portal, developers can access different resources and perform compliance check-ins in the future. For announcements, iterative communications, and developer community management, we are also launching a dedicated Discord server for developers to connect and build Pi together. The Discord server will provide educational resources, AMAs, and community events dedicated to help the developer community build the next generation of Pi apps. To be invited in the Discord server,
All right, friends. I would love to pause here. Now, you see, this project with these wonderful plans, this project is going to go places. And my main point of communication here is this: do not miss out. Okay? It doesn't take anything from you. You simply push a button in a day and you leave your phone, it keeps doing it in the background. Your phone can be off and it will still be mining once you just push that button once in a day, although that is done with internet connected. And I will drop a link for those that are yet to key into this project so as they too will benefit from the project, because I strongly believe in this project. All right, let's hear him out to the end.
developers will need to pass a developer quiz to be verified as developers or participate in the hackathon. So if you belong into one of these categories, please wait for our invitation inside the Pi app. To kick off our developer community's launch, Pi Network is announcing the start of our new Pi Hackathon today. The hashtag BuildPiTogether Hackathon is a collaborative event where pioneers and developers join together to build the future of Pi. We will be hosting the hackathon over 7 weeks, from June 28th until August 10th. And there are 2 categories of apps to build: business apps, apps that serve a consumer or commerce product, and ecosystem apps. These are functional apps that better the ecosystem and functionality of the network. The hackathon will also offer some prizes. There will be $100,000 and 100,000 Pi that will be offered as prizes for top teams and projects that meet the criteria. For each category of apps, ecosystem and business apps, there will be different prizes, and each category will have a first prize of $20,000 and 20,000 Pi, a second one of $15,000 and 50,000 Pi, a third of $10,000 and 10,000 Pi, and 5 honorary mentions, 5 winners of $1,000 and 1,000 Pi each. In total, there will be 100,000 Pi and 100,000 US dollars that will be given in prizes. Selected judges and the Pioneer community will evaluate completed projects, and the PiCore team will decide winners based on these ratings. To participate in the hackathon, visit the Pi Brainstorm app. Overall, the Pi Hackathon will help foster the decentralized development of Pi's ecosystem on the Pi platform, leveraging the power of our global community to achieve the breadth and scale of traditional economies, where real value and utilities are created. Pioneers, let's build Pi together.
Oh yeah, Nicholas, we'll definitely build Pi together. All right, people, had Nicholas himself and yourselves. Now, like I said earlier, if you haven't started this project due to procrastination, or you're not sure or something, hey, I'm encouraging you. Come on, do it so that you won't feel how I wish, or had I known. Now is the best of opportunity, and I am very, very hopeful and positive that you'll be happy you did key into this project. Once again, subscribe to the channel, like and share. It's wonderful having you, and thank you for staying to the end. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye for now. See you in the subsequent videos. Stay blessed, stay safe. COVID, bye bye.